Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to add noise in Picsart. To add noise to an image in Picsart is a straightforward process, and here is how you can do it. Tap open your Picsart application on your mobile device to get started. Once you get to the home page of Picsart, click on the plus button at the top left corner and select an image from your camera roll, or you can also select an image from any other sources. After selecting an image, you will be taken to this page. To edit your image, click on the Effects button at the bottom, and from the options provided, click on Noise. After you tap on Noise, tap on the Noise option once again to adjust the intensity of noise effect. Use the slider right next to Noise in order to increase or decrease the intensity of the noise to your preference. You can also go ahead and apply the fade effect right under the noise slider. After making the adjustment and you are done with your editing, click on the apply button at the top right to save your changes. Now you can go ahead and save your image to your gallery or share it directly on social media. That's how you easily add noises in Picsart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.